Hello guys, today we will make this in Blender using array modifier. So let's just get started. First thing before, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe for more content. And now let's get started. So to make this, you have to just press A, X to delete all, Shift A, make a UV sphere, make some subdivision on it, press apply, press W to shade smooth. Now apply him on array modifier, go to the 4 count option and press copy. Now close him and make it 0 here and 1 on the y-axis. Now make again copy. Now make 0 here and 1 on the z-axis. So this is our first model, it's ready. So move him to the right. Now making again the second model. For that, press Shift A and make a cube. Apply him on a wireframe modifier and give it some thickness. It's just right and apply. Now apply an array modifier, press 0. We will use this object offset option here for making that thing, and press Shift A, make an empty plane axis, move it a little bit up, and now check mark on this and select the empty here. And now you can just scale S by pressing S, scale the empty a little bit. Now increase the count rate to about 9 and just make it a little bit down. It is right here, now you can see. And now just rotate the empty a little bit on the y-axis, like 2 or 3 or about to 6 or 7. So this is our second model, it is complete. And just scale it a little bit and move it to the x-axis a little bit right side. Now we will make our third model. For that you have to create an torus and just add this option, make it a little bit bigger and use this option to decrease the thickness. And now you have the same principle apply on it, make an empty plane axis and now apply array modifier on it and just make 0 here and check mark this and select empty 001. And now decrease the size of the empty, it will decrease the size of the torus because it is relative to this object. And now increase the count and you can see we have made the third object. Very interesting. And by moving this empty you can do it like this thing here. So we will do it here and just give it some size. Now we will make the third object, our tank, very fastly. So just right click here and make a cube, S and Z on to make it on the Z axis, and on S and Y to make it on somewhat Y axis a little bit. Now you have to make a curve a circle curve. Now you have to RX90. Edit. To go into the edit mode, select these two and press S and X and scale it up. And now you have to make an array modifier on it. This cube, select array modifier, and you have to change its fit type. There are three types of fit type. We have talked in the previous lecture that there are three types of fit type, and you have to select the fit curve object and select here a Bezier circle. Now it is increase the length which is we fulfill this curve. So just increase a little bit distance here, 1.3. It is very much 1.2 maybe. Yes, it will be right. So we have seen that here it is not following, it is not attached on this curve. So to do this, you have to apply another modifier, name a curve modifier here. Select a curve modifier, and from here select the Bezier circle. Now you can see here, this is the tire of the tank. You can say that. Select this and press RX and 90 now, and just press make a cube here, and S and Shift Z to make it on the only Y and X axis scale, and scale on the Y axis. W tab to go into the edit mode. Now select the face, select here, select this face and press I to insect, and just E to extrude it upward, and increase a little bit distance here also, and increase somewhat here also, and move it a little bit here. Move that to the little bit backward. Press select this and move it a little bit back. So this is it, and now you have to parent this to this to select this curve, and select this by pressing shift and press Ctrl plus P and keep transform object, keep transform. And now you have to apply a mirror modifier on it on the Y axis, and select this object here, middle one, on the X axis, sorry. And now this is our fourth model is ready. So now just quickly apply some lightning and some material effect. And first we have to create a floor, S and 10. We have creating the floor, studio lighting, and A to extrude. Select this, Ctrl plus B bevel, and scroll wheel up to increase the bevel. And now you have to add your lighting and the material. So just quickly apply lightning and material. Before that apply a camera, Shift A, camera, and select a view and just press Ctrl Alt and 0. This is your camera view. And now you have to apply the just material. Quickly apply on a material. Select this, a glossy material and slightly blue, and just apply light here, aerial light, making up, increase its size to about 100. Here is the size, sorry, about 200. You can decrease some like 80. It is perfect. And go into the render tab to see what it look like, and from here you have to select the cycles render engine, and this is showing very low power, so increase the power here 10,000. It is increase its power to more, about 1 lakh or something. And now you have to just press 0 on the numpad and select this, go to the material tab, assign a material and any color like this, increase the metallic or decrease the roughness, and select this. You can assign any color you want, so we will give it a blue color here, and fully metallic, we will make it a metallic and decrease all roughness. And this here you can give him any color you want. I will give it a red color, and this here you can give it a brown color, and to the tire you can give a gray color to it. So this is it for today, and you can do all your render setting by going to the render tab and increase the sample, and just press this button, render image, and this is it for today's lecture. So if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe for more content. And you can also change here the background color of white. So this is it for today lecture. Hope you like the video. If you like, then subscribe the channel and share the video, thumbs the like button up. Thanks for watching.